Hello guys, Methjar here and welcome back to a new video, and today we are going to be reviewing the Edifier R1700BT speakers which I got recently. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and what are we waiting for? Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so first of all let's look at the website about the speaker. So if we look on the website, we have some information about it. So it says outstanding style. Okay, I'll agree with that. And there's the eagle eye Twitter, as you can see. And enjoy your music. Okay, that's just an easy connection. Yeah, that's actually true. It's so easy to connect. Okay, specifications. Power output RMS. So there are two 15-watt tweeters and there are two 18-watt mid-bass driver. I'll show you guys that in a sec. And there's also it also has a woofer speaker. And yeah, so net weight is 6.6 kilograms and frequency response is 60 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Okay. Wow, this one actually looks cool. I also do sound tests for y'all to hear what it sounds like. Well, you can't actually hear it, but I mean, you can like get a feel of how it sounds. Okay guys, so I just took off the covers for the speakers so you guys can see the actual speakers, as you can see. So there's the Twitter, and there's the mid-bass driver, and there's the woofer speaker I was talking about. Same to the other side. And this is the receiver, this little dot for the remote control. And yeah, and also if you're wondering how to take this off, you just pull it because there's like the rubber things on the case. So yeah, I mean the cover. So yeah, these are the two speakers. I have placed them both like that. And yeah, should we do a sound test? Yes, we should. So I'm going to record with this Blue Yeti microphone. I hope you guys enjoy the sound test. And yeah, let's just get right into it. guys, so that's it for this video, and if you haven't already, please smash subscribe and like button and the bell notification button, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until I post our next video, see you later and peace out.